Welcome to Rishikesh, the yoga capital of India. Located on the banks of the holy Ganga and surrounded by the Himalayas, Rishikesh is well connected to other Indian cities. You can travel by car from Delhi. The nearest airport is Dehradun, just 40 minutes away. In this episode, we explore where to stay and where to eat in Rishikesh. Let me begin with my stay. I stayed at Lemon Tree Hotel in Tapovan. It was a calm and comfortable experience. The breakfast was impressive, a buffet with lots of delicious options. The live kitchen was a highlight, freshly made dosas and omelets served hot. The location is perfect, close to local attractions yet quiet and peaceful. Their travel desk was very helpful. They arranged transport for sightseeing and a trip to Devprayag. You will find the full tour link in the description, highly recommended. Rishikesh offers a wide range of stays, from spiritual retreats to modern riverside hotels. Let's look at some of the best options. Taj Rishikesh Resort and Spa, located near Singthali village, about 30 kilometers from Rishikesh town. This is a luxury riverside retreat, surrounded by the Himalayan forest, perfect for a peaceful escape. Expect to pay around 25,000 to 35,000 rupees per night, including breakfast. Prepay required for most bookings. Aloha on the Ganges, located in Tapovan, right on the banks of the Ganga. This is a very popular choice among travelers. Offers Ganga view rooms and an infinity pool. Prices range from 9,000 to 15,000 rupees per night. Booking in advance is recommended. LB Ganga View, located near Triveni Ghat. Very central location, good for those who want to explore Rishikesh on foot. Their rooftop restaurant has a view of the Ganga. Prices range from 5,000 to 8,000 rupees per night. Yog Niketan by Sanskriti. This is a wellness hotel located right next to Parmarth Niketan Ashram. Ideal for those looking for yoga and spiritual experiences. Prices start at 4,500 rupees. Ayurveda and yoga packages also available. Ganga Kinare by Holy Water Hotels, located in the quieter part of Rishikesh. This hotel sits directly on the riverbank. Very peaceful, with private ghats for guests. Prices range from 7,000 to 12,000 rupees. All these hotels offer online booking. Prepayment is required during peak seasons, especially between October and March. Now let me take you on a quick room tour at Lemon Tree Hotel in Tapovan, Rishikesh. The room is clean, modern, and thoughtfully designed. Large windows open up to a beautiful view of the mountains. You wake up to soft sunlight and the sound of the hills. The bed is cozy with crisp white sheets. There's a work desk, a flat-screen TV, and a well-stocked minibar. The bathroom is neat with all basic amenities. Simple, calm, and just right for a peaceful stay in the yoga capital of India. The breakfast at Lemon Tree is a real treat. A wide buffet with Indian and continental options. Fresh dosas and omelets made live at the counter. Plenty of fruits, juices, and hot coffee to start your day. Now the room is bright and cozy. Clean interiors with a mountain view. A perfect space to relax after exploring Rishikesh. Head up to the rooftop bar and restaurant. Here you get a stunning 360-degree view of the mountains. It's peaceful and breezy, perfect for sunrise coffee or sunset drinks. The ambiance is relaxing with soft music and warm lighting at night. A great place to unwind and enjoy the beauty of Rishikesh from above.
सबसे पहले होली वाटर से हैंड वॉश कराएंगे, उसके बाद पंचामृत देंगे। सिग्नेचर ड्रिंक आएगी धुआं छाछ स्मोकी बटर में। स्टार्टर में नगरों की टिक्की आएगी जो कमल पे फिनिश होती है। बेवरेज में पुदीना जल्जीरा आएगा सर। देन मेन कोर्स में गाजर मेथी मटर आएंगे, काशी फल चना दाल आएगी, कड़ी पकौड़ा आएगा, पोटैटो करी आएगी जो साउथ से होती, केरल पोरियल आएगा, लौकी चने का स्ट्यू आएगा, चना दाल आएगी सर, तंदूरी राइस आएंगे, बद्रीनाथ की खिचड़ी आएगी, रागी डोसा आएगा, कैद दाल का पराठा आएगा, मटर कचौरी आएगी, मीठे में संदेश आएगा एंड जलेबी रबड़ी आएगी, अचार पापड़ ये सब पर पर्सन थाली होती है 1050 चार्ज।
Now let me tell you about a unique food experience in Rishikesh, Temple Food of India. This is not just a restaurant, it is a journey of taste and tradition. Here you enjoy artisanal thalis inspired by prasadam from temples across India. The menu is designed by award-winning chef Anuj Kapoor. Each dish is crafted using pure desi ghee and Ayurvedic herbs like tulsi, amla, turmeric, triphala, and black pepper. The thalis take you on a spiritual food journey, from the Char Dhams in the Himalayas to Gurudwaras in North India, to Jagannath Temple in Puri, and more. The ambiance is divine, with gentle chants, soft incense, and sacred temple decor. It is a peaceful and soulful food experience, truly unforgettable.
So, mutton kachori, rice papad,
If you found this video on Rishikesh helpful and informative, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay connected for more travel stories and new adventures coming soon.
चंद्र सी ज्योति तुम्हारी जल निर्मल आता, ओ मैया जल